Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is about design pattern. Chapter 2 we will discuss about one type of design pattern is structural design pattern. Here we will discuss about structural design pattern. First of all we will about know what is structural design pattern. Structural design pattern, how objects are relation with each other and focus on relations. Most of different types such as behavioral design pattern and relational design pattern. It is also involves as design patterns like structure design pattern. It is about focus on how relations are created and how objects are relate with each other object. So different types. Here we will discuss about different types like adapter, bridge, composite, decorator, facade, flyweight, proxy design pattern, where we will discuss about every and each structure design pattern in detail. Like first of all, we will discuss about adapter design pattern. Adapter design pattern allow for two incompatible classes work together, wiping an interface around one these existing classes. Convert the interface of a classes into another interface that client expect adapter let as classes work together that could not otherwise because of incompatible interface. For example, one switch and one adapter connect with one circuit board with each other with the help of adapter. In this example, a middle layer have an adapter which connect to one switch and other circuit board connect with each other by an adapter. Adapter design pattern, two different objects connect with each other and point to when we need combine of different interface. तो इसकी different examples के साथ देखते हैं. Adapter design pattern work as a bridge between two incompatible interface. Real life examples we will discuss like corridor which act as a adapter between memory card and laptop. Another example of uh, another example like mobile charger need high voltage to low voltage and maintain and other circuit like when we need 3 voltage to charge, but normally sockets like home produce here 240 voltage. So mobile charger work has adapter lie between mobile charger and socket in well socket. तो